Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome you all in our first lecture of OPE unit number 1, lesson number 5. Dear students, I hope all of you are fine by the blessings of Almighty Allah and by the prayers of your parents. Dear students, it is said that without education, life is like a night without stars, moon, and light. Okay, dear students, now we are going to read lesson number 5 from unit number 1, and this is our first lecture of lesson number 5. Dear students, as you have read all our previous lectures from the starting from lecture number 1, we have been practicing our language skills. Today we will repeat the same method here, and in our previous lecture we read about present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. In our this lecture we are going to read about past continuous tense, and we have to practice about it. Dear students, as you are watching on your screen, a table has been given to you. Okay, so dear students, we have been given a statement also. Make sentences from the table. You have been given a table and you have told that you have to make sentences by using these words. An example is also given. I was climbing a cliff very carefully when I fell 20 meters. That means we have been given a picture and a verb to define it, and then what we have to do, we have to find suitable adverb and also suitable preposition to complete the sentence. These sentences are not matched with each other. Okay, so dear students, we have been given a picture and also its verb, but adverb and preposition must be founded. Okay, dear students, as we have been given example number 1, climb a cliff, then adverb is matched with picture number 4 in table number 4. Okay, and 20 meters also. We will use the adverb and the preposition with same picture. Okay, so now we have to start to make the sentences from picture number 2. Okay, dear students, it is sky. Okay, sky downhill means it is a person that is skying downhill. So we have to match adverb also and also its preposition. So the sentence will be, I was skiing downhill very steadily. Okay, the adverb will be used steadily. I was skiing downhill very steadily when I fell down. Okay, I was skiing downhill very steadily when I fell down. Sentence number 2. Now sentence number 3, you are watching that here is a boy who is running along the path. Run along a path. So we have to match the adverb with this picture and also preposition with it. So our sentence will be like, I was running along a path very carelessly. As you are watching on the screen, the boy is crossing the road very carelessly. He is not conscious when crossing the road, but he is running very carelessly. So the sentence will be, I was running along a path very carelessly when I fell over. As I told you, if we match adverb with a picture, the same preposition will be matched with it. Okay, so dear students, the sentence will be, I was running along a path very carelessly when I fell over. Sentence number 3. Now sentence number 4, cross a river. Okay, cross a river. Now as you have seen, the picture number 1, climb a cliff, has been matched with carefully and 20 meters. Picture number 2, skiing downhill, has been matched with steadily down. Picture number 3, run along, has been matched with carelessly over. Now what we have left here, slowly in and fast off. Okay, so the 4th and 5th pictures will be matched with or fast off or slowly in. So picture number 4 is cross a river. Cross a river must be matched with very slowly. Okay, very slowly. Now the sentence will be, I was crossing a river very slowly when I fell in. Okay, when I fell in. Sentence number 5, I was riding a horse very fast when I fell off. Okay, I was riding a horse very fast when I fell off. Our sentences has been completed here. As you saw that we use the sentences is in past continuous tense, and we use a preposition and also an adverb in the sentence. Our sentences are now completed. I am showing you the picture of all the sentences that could help you in learning the activity more easily. Dear students, this is your picture of all the statements given to define the table number 1. So dear students, as sentence number 1 you can see, I was climbing a cliff very carefully when I fell 20 meters down. Picture number 2, the sentence will be, I was skiing downhill very steeply when I fell down. Number 3, I was running along a path very carelessly when I fell over. Number 4, I was crossing a river very slowly when I fell in. And last but not least, number 5, I was riding a horse very fast when I fell off. So dear students, we revised past continuous tense in which we used an adverb and also a preposition in each sentence. Now I must give you some homework to practice of this for practice of this tense. So your homework will be, find examples of adverbs any 5. For your easiness, I am just giving you examples to find any 5 and use it in your own sentences of past continuous tense. Find adverbs like carelessly, slowly, carefully, steadily. I must tell you the symbol of adverbs that many adverbs ends at ly. Okay, so it will be easy for you to find the examples of adverbs or such words that ends at ly. Dear students, so for you the homework is, find examples of adverbs any 5 and use it in your own sentences of past continuous tense. You have to find adverbs and use it in your sentences of past continuous tense. Dear students, today's this lecture now ends here. We will meet inshallah in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.